well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a word. Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what?
Brian, don't!
A well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. A well, a bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird. Surfing.
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Papa uma mau mau, 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 uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa uma.
Come on, Miss Daniels. Oh, Mitch, I'm so happy to see you. I'm so happy to see you, Grandma.
I'm happy to see you too, Lydia.
I'm not. Insane.
Don't!
A well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. A well, a bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird.